So for those who have watched the previous video in which I have explained how to scrap bulk news from Google News API using Python script, you can continue with your previous CSV file as a source method to upload bulk news in WordPress. Those who want to know how to scrap bulk news, please watch the previous video. You can find the link below in the description. To upload bulk news, let's first download a sample CSV file from Ultimate CSV Importer and Exporter plugin from WordPress admin dashboard. If you don't have the plugin, you can install the plugin from plugin section of WordPress, or you can directly download the plugin from given link in the description of this video. You can directly upload this plugin into Upload Plugin section of the WordPress dashboard. Once you have downloaded the sample, let's configure the CSV file and add the news scraped from the scrapper Python script. All the news must be formatted in the CSV format required by the Ultimate CSV Importer and Exporter. First of all, open the scraped CSV file and then sort the desired columns. We only need 3 main columns. First, title of news. Second, link of the news source. And third, the translated title. We need the original title of news to use it as a slug of the final news. Slug is very important for the search engine optimization. This slug works as the keyword for users who are trying to find a news. So that's why using the original title as a slug will help to make your news SEO much better. Link of news source. This will use to go to original news and get the news content, and you can rewrite this news according to you. Translated title will be the main news title. That will be published title of the news. Just delete rest of the column for now. From the scraped CSV file, and then copy the remaining 3 column in the sample CSV file. Now let's add the required fields. First of all, let's add the post_excerpt, also called slug. One don't need to put the whole title as the expert. It should be only the first few words of the title of news that will be work as a keyword to the news. And always keep in mind a slug or excerpt must be added in the format of a hyphens after every word. This is to be recognized by the search engine. Let's do this. Now let's add hyphens to all the title in the excerpt column. Just type Ctrl+H on your keyboard and select space for blanks in every sentence, and then add hyphen and then replace all. Now create the final excerpt using a formula. I am just using a simple formula. Equals left. To extract only first 50 characters of the main title. And then apply this formula to all the rows. After that, just copy the reference column and paste the values to another column so that we can easily copy our final excerpt. And paste it to required fields. Next, let's complete the post ID columns. Post ID must be unique. You should check your database to check the last ID, and then you can serialize from that number. After completing post ID columns, let's fill the main title as it is to the required fields. It must be added in first column, that is post title. Second, copy and paste this title into post_name field also. The most important step of this bulk news upload is we are using original news link as article description. So that we can easily go to post edit and we can copy and paste the link from news article description to find the original source news. And then we can create our own news out of it. Next, copy and paste column of post author, post status, post format, comment allowed or not, ping status. Other like keywords. Article type, categories. Tags. All these fields can be same or can be different as per desire. And you can manually fill them all, or you can just select and drag to complete the rows. You can also pause this video to learn stepwise, according to your convenience. Now let me complete all the fields one by one. It's just copy and paste and dragging of column head to all the rows. I am serializing all the must required fields for a proper CSV content for bulk upload, that are post title, post ID, post content, post excerpt, post author, post status, post format, comment status, article type, post category, and post tag. You must fill the rows for all these required fields, and once done you can skip to next part of this video. Now after completing all the rows and columns, you must save this file into CSV, UTF, 8-character format, otherwise it won't work in Ultimate CSV Importer. Now as you can see, this sample CSV is complete to upload in the WordPress. Let's upload the CSV to Ultimate CSV Importer. And after done uploading, you can see that all the news are uploaded and properly added to posts. You can review it manually. Now in this upload we only have uploaded the main title, news source link and post author, article type, category, and tags ec. Now let's see how we can add the final news piece or article into the news. Now let's copy first 20 description news links from Excel file. And then go to a website multi-URL opener website. You can find the link of this website in the description of this video. Just paste all the links in the box of the website and then click on Open All Links, and now you can see we have opened 20 URLs simultaneously. Now to recognize the order of news, just go to the category of news from main news website and find the last page of the category. And you can see the order can be matched from links order of Excel files news links. Now to edit final news article, just edit the WordPress post from direct website page. For this you must be logged into your admin panel of your WordPress news site. Now if you want to create the news in your native language, just use the Google Translator Chrome extension to translate the original news page, and you can copy and paste the news in your edit box for your WordPress article, and then you can add or remove information to the news piece according to your convenience. You should not publish the copied news as it is. You must write your own views to make it your own news. For a safe practice rule on internet. And that's how we can successfully create bulk news for WordPress news website. That's all for this video. If you guys have any type of doubt or issues, you can ask it in comment section below. I will try to resolve your issues ASAP. Thanks. If you guys have received value for your time, please don't forget to like the video, and you can subscribe this channel for more informational and tutorial videos. Thanks again.